Hello student, welcome to my channel Learn More Maths by Varakumar. Today we are going to solve a problem from the chapter Progressions exercise 6.3 10th problem student. See here what he is asking to find as a sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes to students of a school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding prize, find the value of each of the prizes. So this is the problem he has given student. First we have to understand what he has given, what we have to find. So see student, in a school based upon the academic performance of the students, rupees 700 is rupees 700 used to buy 7 divided to give 7 cash prizes of students. 7 cash prizes, but there is a condition. Each preceding prize is rupees 20 less than student. He has given the condition. So see student, using 700 we have to give 7 cash prizes. The first prize is rupees 700, the second must be 20 less than the first one, that is 180. In the same way the third must be 160, next 140, like this. So like this, the condition is if the first one is 200, then the second one must be 20 less than. In the same way 20 less than the preceding, rupees 20 is less than the preceding price. So this is the condition student. Using this we have to find. So how can we find? See here, so let the first prize rupees be, so let the first prize rupees be A, then the second prize becomes 20 less than, that is A minus 20. In the same way third becomes A minus 40, fourth A minus 60, so A minus 80, so A minus 100 and A minus 120. So these are the prizes student, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, but the sum of all these is must be equal to 700. That is the condition student. So here it forms an arithmetic progression using the sum of the n terms of Sn, sum of the n terms of an arithmetic progression. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. So we have to find the value of a student. So that is the analysis of the problem. Now we have to solve. So solution student, let the amount of first cash prize be rupees, so let it is x student, be rupees x, then the second comma third comma fourth comma fifth comma sixth and the seventh prizes will be so rupees x minus 20 comma rupees x minus 40 comma rupees x minus 60 comma rupees x minus 80 comma rupees x minus 100 and rupees x minus 120. So see student, totally this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh. So a list of prizes are, so list of prizes, are, so see student here, x comma x minus 20 comma x minus 40 x minus 60 x minus 80 x minus 100 x minus 120. So see student, the difference of every two successive terms is 20 here. Therefore here see here D is equal to common difference. We have to find D is equal to A2 minus A1 student, that is x minus 20 minus x. So that is we can get x minus 20 minus x plus x minus x cancel. D is equal to minus 20. So in the same way, how to find A3 minus A2 student? So see here, A3 is x minus 40 minus A2 is x minus 20. So how can we get x minus 40? Here it becomes minus x plus 20. Minus x plus x gets cancelled. Minus 40 plus 20 is minus 20 student. Therefore it forms an AP. It forms an AP. So student here A is equal to, the first term A is equal to x and the last term AN is equal to x minus 120 student. So here the first term A is equal to x and the last term AN is equal to x minus 120. So we have the formula Sn is equal to, we have Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus An. So we have to substitute in the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus An. Here n is equal to 7 student and the sum of the 7 prices should be 700 saying student. So the sum of the, since the sum of the 7 prices, the sum of the 7 prices is rupees 700, that is S7 is equal to 700 student. So S7 is equal to 700. So how can we find S7? By substituting n equal to 7 in the formula we can find S7. So S7 is equal to n by 2, that is 7 by 2 into A plus An student. A is equal to x plus An is equal to x minus 120 is equal to how much student? 700 he has given. So S7 equal to 700. We have Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus An. Here we have to use the second formula student, since we know the first and the last terms. So S7 is equal to, that is n by 2 is 7 by 2 A plus An. A value is x and nth An is equal to x minus 120. So see student, what we get from this 7 by 2 into, so x plus x is 2x minus 120 is equal to 700 student. So here we get 7 ones and 7 hundreds. So here 2x minus 120 is there student. 2x minus 120 is equal to, take 2 to the right side, here it becomes 100 into 2. Here 2 is dividing here, if you take to the right side it becomes 100 into 2, that is 200. From this we can get 2x is equal to 200 plus 120, that is 320. So minus 120 becomes plus 120. Therefore x is equal to 320 divided by 2, which is 160 student. 160. So therefore from this we have to find x minus 20 is equal to 160 minus 20, that is 140, and x minus 40 is equal to 160 minus 40, that is 120. In the same way x minus 60 is equal to 160 minus 60, which is 100 student. We have to find the values up to x minus 120 student. These are the prices of 7, these are the values of 7 prices student. So in the same way x minus 80 is equal to 160 minus 80 is 80. So x minus 100 is equal to 160 minus 100, which is equal to 60, and x minus 120 is equal to, so 160 minus 120, which is equal to 40. So these are the values of 7 prices student. Therefore Therefore, the amounts of 7 cash prizes are, so rupees 160, rupees 140, rupees 120, rupees 100, rupees 80, rupees 60 and rupees 40. So these are the 7 cash prizes, student. So if you add sum of all 7 should be 700. See student, once we have to add, so first and last we have to add 160 plus 40 is 200 student, and 140 plus 60 is also 200, 120 plus 80 is also 200. So 200, 200, 200, totally 600. This is 100, 700. So like this we can find, student. This is very important and very easy, student. You have to practice at least 2-3 times. You can get perfect. After watching the video you have to practice, student, then only you get perfect and you can do your own. So student, if you are watching first time, subscribe my channel and share this link to the your friends. Okay, so we will meet in the next class with another problem.